Hey everyone, welcome to this quick guide on how to check your RBC credit score in 2025. If you're managing your finances or preparing for a big purchase, knowing your credit score is essential for making smart decisions. With RBC's updated features, it's now faster and more user-friendly than ever. Let's dive in step by step. First, ensure you have the latest RBC mobile app installed on your smartphone. Head to your App Store, search for RBC Mobile, and download or update it if needed. This app is the go-to tool for 2025, packed with enhanced security and AI-driven insights. Once the app is ready, open it and log in using your username, password, and any two-factor authentication required. RBC has ramped up security in 2025, so you'll appreciate the extra layer of protection. It only takes a second. After logging in, head to the main dashboard. Look for a prominent section labeled Credit Score or Financial Health. It's designed to be easy to find, right at the top for quick access. Tap on it, and you'll see your current credit score displayed clearly, along with a breakdown of factors like payment history and debt levels. For a deeper dive, explore the personalized insights RBC now offers. In 2025, their AI tools can suggest ways to improve your score, such as paying down debts or setting up automatic payments. It's like having a financial advisor in your pocket. If you prefer using a computer, log in to the RBC website at rbc.com. Navigate to your profile, and you'll find the credit score feature under the My RBC or Accounts tab. The process is similar, making it seamless across devices. A few quick tips. Always keep your app updated for the latest features, and check your score regularly, at least once a month. If you run into any issues, RBC's 24/7 chat support is there to help. There you have it. Checking your RBC credit score in 2025 is straightforward and empowering. Give this video a like if it helped, and subscribe for more financial tips. Thanks for watching, and take control of your finances today.